oh she cute or whatever. Why is this bitch trying to JoJo pose? Bloody hell. This is why no one will love you. Keep your tongue in your mouth, you fucking whore. Not the pajamas. Not this hoe falling. My ass hurt so much after, but I tried to ignore the pain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is completely different to what I normally do, but I'm trying to revive my YouTube channel from the dead, so we gonna try it out. I'm just trying to have fun, to be honest. But basically I ordered these sunglasses from KIBULONDON and I saw Mother's Daughter wear it and I was like, oh my god, they're shaped like the Akatski Glasses. I need it. So, you know, being the shopaholic I am, I bought it. So I wasn't sure what I was really expecting, but definitely not this. Everything is so professionally done. They got little stickers, extra things, the packaging is so cute, and they even got a little brand name on the bag, and I just thought it was hella awesome. And look at that, those are sexy. Let's get a close-up, please. In any case, here's an overview of everything that came in the package. And I wanted to do a makeup look with it because I thought it would be cool content, because the only thing I'm good at the moment is makeup. So, but everything's peng here anyway. Speaking of peng, here I am. Nah, let me start. So I gave off my eyebrows during quarantine and I'm too lazy and not committed enough to shave the ends of my eyebrows, so I just glue the ends and then I put powder on it so then I can stock up the foundation and everything on top of it. And now I'm using moisturizer. So I actually swapped from Fenty to Too Faced for my foundation, concealer, primer, and I got a moisturizer because the women in the shop convinced me and I'm easily convinced. But what I did notice compared to the Fenty one, the first day I used the Too Faced, my skin felt so good and it looked good. And I know that Too Faced, they do a lot of skincare on the side anyway, so I'm guessing they've incorporated that formula into their... Oh, not me getting color corrector in my eye. Ciao. Anyway, so I know they probably incorporated the skincare products into their concealer and foundation and stuff. Anyway, color corrector. The reason why there's so much, so a lot for us melanin folk, we get discoloration and it looks completely normal without makeup, but with makeup, when you put it on top, it looks a bit ashy around your mouth and under your eyes, and that's literally just because we have different colored skin there. What people normally do is they have two foundations, but I'm a bit broke on that student budget, so. But usually I pack powder on top of it so it doesn't move around under the foundation. So when you put the foundation, everything's supposed to have a flawless look over it, and you don't really get the same ashiness as you would if you went without it. I'm taking a while to blend. Let me just skirt. So, concealer. Conceal the fields, don't let them know. Anyway, this is gonna be embarrassing, yeah? You are going... Are you not embarrassed? Are you not ashamed?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I beg you, please. So, I put concealer, yeah? I put the setting spray and I blend it out, you know, make it all dewy and shit. But get this, watch. I forget to properly blend the fucking concealer on my forehead. So when you see later on, it's going to zoom in to my face. Just please allow it, yeah? Allow it. Anyway, I'm not a big fan of baking, to be honest, but I pack powder on my nose and underneath my eyes because when I put eyeshadow, there's a lot of fallout, especially in the Morphe palettes, which is something I use regularly. So to avoid that, I just put powder underneath so I don't have to like swipe off black eyeshadow and then it's all a mess. but instead I swipe it off, but the powder's protected. I'm blending the eyeshadow, and I decided to go for a more subtle look because I ended up filming an entire tutorial for this look, and it was a lot more gothic and out of my comfort zone, even though, you know, I do meddle with the goth aesthetic, but in terms of makeup, it was a lot of liner heavy, which is something I'm not really used to, but the video went all wrong.
Humans are disgusting. They only know one thing: big titties, and that's it. That's crazy.
Shit! So, anyway, we're doing this now. Here, you know, I'm packing on that brown eyeshadow, packing it in my crease, and then working towards the inner corner of my eye. And then I throw a bit of gold in there. I wanted to do the halo look because it's something I haven't done in ages. And I'm kind of happy that it's simple in a way, and it doesn't need to be so in my face. Like, I wanted just something calm and something in my element instead of the liner look that I did and failed the whole recording process. So now I'm putting the felt tip eyeliner and making the shape of my crease, so I'm able to create a shape and then fill in the shape with black eyeshadow later on to create the look I want for my crease. This is an important step because it's easier, especially when you've got hooded eyes, to kind of figure out what's going on with the shape. Please excuse my stupidity, by the way. As you can see, my liner is on its last leg. It's running out. And I didn't clock that. That's why. So if you're looking at that liner ain't sharp, sis, that's why. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I did a gold liner spot and yeah, no. My brows, we're not going to talk about it. I just thought to let you know that I did something with my brows, but I'm not a specialist. But then I put Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras, and the reason why it's so small is because it's the little tester edition. I got it for free when I ordered a shit ton of stuff in Too Faced, like the foundation and stuff, and it works a lot better with your lower lashes because it's just smaller and easier. Anyway, I'm putting on the blush. I look a bit shook in a minute because I didn't realize how much blush I put, and I don't, yeah. Oh, why do I look like an Animal Crossing character? Anyway, the blush, I don't technically actually buy blush. I use eyeshadow, and the same with contour. But the funny story is, when I started makeup, I thought, my nose is a bit West African, how can I contour it? And I didn't contour for the longest time, and it's really stupid, right? But it's because I didn't never see any, like, you know, people with my nose contouring until I came across Zayn MK's page, I think is his I'll write it down on the screen, but he contoured and it slapped, and I was like, oh shit, I can contour, wait a minute, and that's how I got to where I am. This is literally why representation is needed, especially in weeb communities, because baby me didn't even know I could contour my nose. Skirt. Yo, let me tell you, I fucking hate lashes. Like, look at that shit. Look how I'm struggling. Ignore my mess of an eyebrow, but look how I'm struggling. It's not fitting. The glue is still wet, and it's gonna dry clear soon. But like, it's just a bit irritating. But lashes elevate the look from a solid 6 to a 15, so I couldn't give up. But I'm just touching up the gold now because I kind of mess up when I do the rest of my makeup and then it kind of comes off. Listen, yeah, over here, the mustachio, forget about the mustache. Don't say it's nothing. We're in quarantine, don't say nothing. But I put on the black lipstick. But then I put gloss on afterwards, and the only problem with that is that it moves around afterwards. So that's some clown shit, but we done. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rena, and
also known as Cynical Corpse, I guess. I have not used this platform for a sincere amount of time. I spoke about this in my last video when I was drawing, but I wanted to speak more directly and not just be like hi and then just put my art there. There is no excuse. I personally just did not bother. So actually, in all seriousness, the thing is, when I started this channel, I was really young. I was a teenager, not 15, but I did start a YouTube channel with my friends at 15, but that's a story for another time. I decided to do YouTube because I thought it was fun. Watching other cosplayers do it, and at the time I was also a big advocate of, you know, I want to see more black cosplayers on YouTube. We need more representation. I will step up and be that representation. My ideals hasn't changed that much. I just have less energy now, I guess. Is it the depression or the age? I don't. I really wanted to start this channel up again and to start creating content. So I really hope that you're willing to join me in this journey. But I hope you enjoyed, and you know, thumbs up if you like the video, follow if you like me, and if you just want me to shut up and do more makeup stuff, please let me know. Anyway, have a great day. I'm Rena. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.